Hello, welcome. I am Kelly Ann Smith with Freedom in a Budget, and today I am sharing my March 2020 budget report card for my business. And I'm going to go over my income with you and then also my expenses. So many times entrepreneurs will share their income, but they don't share how much they're spending, and they may get 10K in revenue, but they're spending 8K in ads, and so their profit is only $2,000. So I want to be transparent with you guys and saying, hey, this is what I'm bringing in, but then also these are my expenses, and so this is my net profit, how much I'm putting for taxes, all of that. I'm all about transparency for you. And as a free gift for you, I do have this exact budget template for you in the description box for free, totally free download. And I have spent lots of time perfecting this spreadsheet. I absolutely love it. It helps me organize, helps me with taxes, all of that. So it'll be down below in the description box for free. I also have a blog post that is going to go into further detail of my ad revenue and explain my ad revenue, especially affiliate marketing, go into all the detail of that. So definitely check out the blog post down below as well, going into the revenue for my business. Jumping right in, revenue was a total this month of $4,419.86. I'm just under the $5,000 mark, which stinks. I think the past 3 months I have had $5,000 months or bigger, which is awesome. So still super proud of the $4,000. This month was actually my 5-year anniversary in my business. So super exciting. And jumping right in, we have affiliate marketing for $2,312.09. Etsy is $189.81. Freedom in a Budget shop is $106.17. These two are actually the same thing, Etsy and Freedom in a Budget shop. This is where I house my printables, my debt-free trackers, my savings goal trackers, my Excel templates, my net worth tracker, budget templates, all of that. I have them on my shop, and then I also have them on Etsy as well. So both places totally the same thing, but I keep track of them separately so I know which one is bringing more revenue. Right now, Etsy is actually bringing a little bit more revenue because of some old Pinterest pins that have taken off, which is awesome. YouTube and blog ads is $1,013.94. So this is total for the month. I put out 4 videos in the month of March. A lot of this is passive income from old videos, but a lot of YouTube, it still is active income. So $1,013.94 total for ads. Courses, I have 2 courses. I have a How to Save Money on Groceries course, as well as Dreamer to Profitable, which is my entrepreneur course, teaching you how to start your own online business and make it profitable. $621.83 for the courses. Patreon was $39.93. If you're a Patreon member, you get my personal budget report card, line by line, just like this, but of my personal budget. It's a little bit more personal and private, so it's just for my Patreon. Plus, you get access to all of my free printables, all my free Excel templates that I sell. You get full access to for free, and you get a little behind the scenes, different things like that in Patreon. Next is coaching, $142.09. That consists of budget coaching and YouTube coaching, entrepreneur coaching, all of those. So total of $4,419.86. Okay, now getting into the expenses. So education and development, I have a monthly membership for $97 that I pay, and this is business mentorship. I have access to video trainings, different things like that, so $97. Then I bought a course bundle for $99.91. I actually have to make sure I go through this, and I bought it, and I think I listened to a couple lessons, but I need to really make sure I get my money's worth of that. So that consists of education and self-development is $196.91. And all of these in blue are tax write-offs as well. So it's so important to keep good records of your taxes. Next is expenses, contract labor, $50. Next is office expenses and postage. So I had to get stamps. I bought them at Publix for $11. Printer ink at $22.50. Giveaway was $100. Transportation, $0 for that. And then expenses for subscriptions and dues. So I'll run through these pretty quickly. But Tailwind, which is what I use for Pinterest, $119.88. DigitalOcean, $19.35, G Suite, $6. And then this next is like web hosting stuff that my husband does for behind the scenes at my website. I honestly don't know much about it, but $54.07, $55.23, $30.88. YouTube Premium, $17.99. Adobe Creative Cloud, $29.99. G Suite, $6. Cloudflare, $20. GC, $6. MailChimp, $30.99. We are working on actually converting everything from MailChimp over to Flowdesk, but it is a lot of back-end work. I have a lot of stuff on my blog from MailChimp that I have to transfer over all those forms, but every time that I don't do it every month, that is another $31 I'm paying. So need to do that because I'm also paying for Flowdesk. Although Flowdesk is so much more affordable, I think it's $209 for the full year. If you are looking for email marketing, I highly recommend Flowdesk. It's amazing. You get lifetime access or not lifetime access, but unlimited subscribers, which most places you pay per subscriber, especially after you reach 1,000 or 500 or whatever it is. And this, you can have as many as you want. You can have all your automations, your email funnels, all of that, forms. It's amazing. All one price that it will never go up if you use my affiliate link. I will have it down below in the description box for you, but it's amazing. And you get 50% off for a lifetime once you use that one link. Zoom Pro for $112.42. And then a total of this section is $522.80. So total expenses this month was $903.21. Total revenue, like we saw up at the top, was $4,419.86. Gross profit is $3,516.65. Then we take away taxes. Thank you, Uncle Sam. $879.16. Then net profit from that is $2,637.49. Then business savings is $1,000 for a total salary of $1,637.49. So this month we have a total of $879.16 for taxes. And then last month's total is $2,875 for a grand total in savings so far for the year of $3,754.63. Business savings added another $1,000 for a grand total in business savings as $2,500. And then I can use if I need big purchases, a conference, anything like that. Then total for savings this month was $1,879.16 for a grand total for the year of $6,254.63. So like I said, I do have this printable here for you if you do want to check it out. All the formulas are pre-populated. All the categories over here are pre-populated. You just need to fill in your own expenses. So I'll have it linked down below. Also, if you're new to email marketing, check out my video where I shared how to build an email funnel in Flowdesk. It is super informative and I really think you're going to enjoy it.
No.